In this video, we will show you how to customize the controls and hotkeys on your Garmin Foreunner 265 watch. Controls allow you to quickly access many of the commonly used tools, such as Assistance, Find My Phone, Garmin Pay Wallet, and more. To access the controls on your watch, press and hold the light button in the upper left. Here you can see the default controls options. Press and hold the up button to access the controls menu. To add a new control, select Add Controls. Use the up and down buttons to scroll through the options, then use the Start/Stop button to make a selection. Press the back button 2 times to get back to your controls. Use the up and down buttons to view your new controls. To reorder controls, press and hold the up menu button, then scroll down and select Reorder Controls. Select the control you would like to reorder using the Start/Stop button. Then use the up or down button to change its position in the list. Press the Start/Stop button to confirm the position change. Finally, press the back button 2 times to get back to your controls. If you would like to remove an option from your controls, press and hold the up button. Then scroll down and select Remove Controls. Use the up or down buttons to scroll through the controls and press the Start/Stop button to select a control to remove. When you're done removing controls, press the back button 2 times to get back to the controls. You can now customize the controls on your watch. And that's it. You can now customize the controls on your Foreunner 265 watch. For more help, visit support.garmin.com. Thanks for watching.